taking a little video of all of our chickens. We have 13 now. We had 14, but we lost one. Quit fighting. Nobody needs to fight. This is Peaches. Peaches is the most tame chicken right there. That's Patches. Patches is more tame too. Dela. All the new ones are more tame. Licorice is still tame. She's the black one. But these ones are the Chocolate Orpingtons. They're supposed to be more brown than black. And you can definitely tell when there's more light. You can see that they're more chocolate than the black. You can see the difference between them and the black one. And then of course there's the sapphires and the rainbows. And then those are the ISA brown with the white on the tip. There's Peach. Peach is always everywhere I am. Dela is the white one with the black on her tail. She has black in different spots. She's Delaware White. And then we've got one left of the White Leghorns. She's the only one left. But Licorice is a Black Australorp. But yeah, we got two sapphires. Sapphire. I don't remember. Oh, Plymouth Rock. Sapphire, Plymouth Rock. And then these are the buff. She's a buff rock, and so is her sister. We got Peaches and Apricot, and they're the buff rocks. And then we got two Orpingtons, which are the chocolate ones. That they look black unless you get them in the light or compare them to the Black Australorp. Then you can tell the difference. But yeah, we've got 4 reds, but 2 are black tipped. You got Marge and her sister Bertha, because they're really big. And then you got Patches. No, that's not Patches. That's Sprinkles, because she's barely got white. She's just got a little sprinkling. And then you got Patches with a lot of white. She's got white on her neck and her tail. And then Betty is the sapphire with the straight comb. And Blue is the sapphire with the comb that's all messed up. It just does whatever it wants. I think I named everybody. Oh, Blizzard. Blizzard is the white one. She was named by Carlene. I think I said everybody. I think I said, oh, that's Licorice, Peaches. Snickers is one of the Chocolate Orpingtons, and the other chocolate over there is Reese's.